Today, take a look at the mini jet fan. So we got a manual. We got what looks like a microfiber cloth. We got a nice bag. Very slick and shiny. And this is the duster. So we got our charging port there on the bottom. And it does come with a charging cable. This is USB-A to USB-C. We got our fan on the back. It looks like that is all metal. This is our power button. It looks like it comes with 1 bar charge, so we probably have to charge that guy up. The nozzle is removable, and we can see we got a couple of pins on there, so that will help to line it up, and that is magnetic. Yeah. That is quite a lot of speed. So if we just tap it, we can go with low, medium, high, and then if we hold, and that is our highest setting. So this is going to be a good time to blow out my old computer. You can see we got a ton of buildup on here. Yeah. I got to clean my room. Definitely best to do that outside. Pretty sweet. So yeah, that is an excellent little duster.